Bei réifreann neamh-oifigiúil éireann aontaithe a reachtal a neisteart ardmhaithe agus túisteart lú ag an caighíse. Tá páraiste an Chréideann Uachtar roinse ina gá chuid ag an teorann. Bei deis ag muintear an pháraiste a dúramí an nochtú faoin teorann chéanna an cúigiú lás féit de Bhaltaine. Is é an grúpa nua-bhunaithe United Ireland You Decide a tá tíbhír den réifreann.
Tá sé iontacht táhachtach darlamsa agus dá muintear a cheanta seo go mé go sacú a chu sé ag muintear na tíana seo. Is fada an lámh ag fannach dar a le héid de bord a pól agus sé muinte iontacht táhachtach go mé an níos a cheantar ag teata mar an lád. Ó bhí an chuoin túán agus sin chuig bliana an déag ó hin. Bhí daoine cos a linne ag fannach dar an lá go mé seans a bhín be pól a bhín éis tá réifh an a hinne síle mar déine gohfuil daoine cheanta seo réifh an a hinne.
This morning I wanted to speak briefly about why our community group came together to bring this campaign to the public. And I also want to...
Factor says na papers na main comsaide san lucht agus daoine ar ní bheith aontaithe go deo de muintear ar a hiú saoine ar muintear ní bheith saoin go dtí go mé an chóra an fanrun. Agus sin go dtéar an haimdínéirí a chathú an seo just chóra agus cineal le commerceid.
We want to start a debate at community level on the future of this country, and we call for the people to have their say. The Good Friday Agreement, which is now 15 years old, provides for a border poll when it appears likely that the majority of people in the north want Ireland to be reunited.
Síle muint go cuairúin just ar na daoine pí bog níos oige just le feiceil go dtí mar smuoineann siad san ar aontaithe agus beidir fan nar bheith an rafranán nó a bheith an pólán mé siad san ar isfóta le ar a hatéag.
Cheistí muid for gró áitiúla bhí cheannachar an teorann orthusan.
And I deal north and south. I have to have 2 bank accounts. Well, I run a small business in the locality here, in basically Upper Cregan, and we have 2 currencies. We have the euro and we have sterling. For the likes of us that are trying to build a business in this area, the dual currencies, the dual taxation, it's very, very difficult.
A number of years there was the BSE and all of the diseases that went in England, and that and our beef here got the same, was labelled the same because it was stamped as British beef. And the Irish beef was clean beef, as they called it, and far more valuable beef. And because we were this side of the border, we were destroyed. The prices on that we were getting was way lower than we would have got had we been in the outside of the border.
I guarantee that very few people will have coverage at all here, and anyone that does will be roaming on.
We had an idea of what we wanted to achieve, but we weren't sure about how we would go about it and what the format would be. So we did look to Catalonia to see what they had done, and they started their referendum in one small town, kind of like what we're doing here, and it spread then. They did, in the end, they held referendums in 500 different towns, including Barcelona, and that really, they got obviously good positive results from that, and it has resulted now in them achieving a date for a real poll to be held, a real referendum. So obviously if we can emulate their success in any way, we'd be more than happy.
On our leaflet we've included...
Ní hé Seán Tín ceann Seán Céad ceann. Is tá here agus tan táhaín gur seo an céad an ceantar starúil seo an céad go das nó for an factas. Be muid bogu hartar an teorann agus beidir an trabán agus an lefra sin me fear agus is tá hydralaí agus an muinear agus áitin eile mar fud fad na tíra agus go méid sé gahan inne go dé báil lá dhéanamh sa déci.